Hello, and welcome to this English 101 hybrid course. I'm glad that you've decided to join us in this alternative learning format. We will be meeting on Mondays and Wednesdays in our physical classroom, but the rest of the time we'll be working online through our Canvas shell and working independently through readings, bookwork, assignments, essay writing, etc. So I want to set you up for success as we get started with this course. The first thing you're going to want to do is familiarize yourself with Canvas, the software program. So if you haven't ever used Canvas before, take time to go through the tutorials on your home screen, watch the videos, and honestly the thing that helps the most is just clicking around to find where different things are located and to get some practice with assignments, modules, discussion boards, etc. So I just want to do a quick walkthrough here for you as well so that you can know exactly what's in our particular Canvas shell. So when you hit the home page, you'll see a welcome message here. I'll be posting weekly announcements in the Announcements tab. Do make sure to click on those at the beginning of every week so that you know what assignments are coming up, what topics we're going to be discussing in class, as well as due dates and other point value work that you're going to want to stay up to date with. The Assignments tab is helpful as it lists all of the major point-related assignments we have. If you want to look ahead and see how your quarter is going to progress, feel free to look through here and see what kind of work you'll be required to do. Discussions are very helpful in this hybrid course because some of the things you're going to be doing involve talking to your classmates about your ideas and about the things you've found in our different texts. And so discussions are going to be essential to success in those projects. You can always click on grades to see where you're at. I do try and get grades back in a pretty reasonable time frame, normally about a week to 10 days, turnaround on essays, less time of course on smaller assignments like discussion boards. The syllabus is an essential part of being successful in any course. Think of the syllabus as an agreement or a very loose contract between a student and a teacher. The syllabus will tell you what to expect from me as well as what I expect from you. There is the department syllabus. This has policies held by the college and by the English department. The syllabus addendum has specific policies to our class, so do make sure to read through both of those documents carefully. Where most of your helpful materials are going to be found is in the Modules tab. If you click on that Modules tab, you'll see that we have monthly calendars for you, so do make sure to click through those. Those will tell you what to do each day of the week in order to stay on top of things. Then we also have helpful articles. We will be having a diagnostic essay to kick off our time together. All the articles for that essay are here. We'll be talking about that in class during our first week together. And then the rest of the documents are broken down by projects. Project 1 is an essay, literary analysis, and close reading strategies on Agatha Christie's Murder on the Orient Express. All of the information you're going to need to be successful in that project is in this folder. Our second essay is a trial by media. We'll be looking at argumentation and research in this particular topic. All of these files will help set you up for success there. And then our final large essay project is on culture, bias, and justice. And once again, all of those essential files are found in the Project 3 folder. We'll be talking about MLA format and grammar throughout the quarter. Those files contained here. And there are some library resources as well as a final in-class essay. All of these module folders are going to contain the information that's essential to success. So do make sure to click through those, look at the different files in the folder that we're currently in to make sure that you're going to have a good essay, that you're following the prompt, and that you've got all the essential pieces in order to earn the grade you would like to. So that's Canvas in a nutshell. We'll talk more about this in class, but I just wanted to give you a chance to kind of familiarize yourself with the format so that we're able to jump right in. I'm looking forward to meeting you all in person during our first days of class. Have fun clicking around, and of course always reach out with any questions.